Welcome back to my channel. The chapter is volume and surface area of cube and cuboids for standard 9. This is part 2. So in the first part we learned the formulas for the lateral surface area, total surface area of cube and cuboid, and now we will be continuing with few problems in my next 2-3 parts. Now this question, 3 cubes each of side 5 centimeters are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So 3 cubes are kept like this. So they are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the result. Now when the 3 cubes are joined together, now this becomes a cuboid. So if this is 5 centimeter, so the length of the new cuboid will become 15, but the breadth and the height is not changing. So you have to take length of cuboid. So length is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15 centimeters. Now breadth is the same, is equal to 5 centimeters, and height is equal to 5 centimeters. So TSA, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So when nothing is specified, generally you take it as total surface area. So I am writing it as TSA is equal to, write the formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So that is equal to 2 into 15 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15. So when you do the calculation, we will get this as 350 centimeter squared. So area is always square units. So since it is centimeter here, so it is centimeter squared. The floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. The cost of painting the walls at rupees 10 per meter squared is rupees 15,000. Find the height of the hall. So we will assume, let h be the height of the hall. Now the perimeter of the floor of the perimeter is given of the floor of the rectangle, and the cost of painting the walls. So when you have to paint the walls, that means from this you should understand it is lateral surface area, because only the 4 sides you have to take. So it is lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, we have to use the formula perimeter into height, perimeter of the base. So floor, base here is floor of the rectangle, they have already given you the perimeter as 250 meters. So this is equal to 250 into h, so meter squared. Now the cost of painting the wall is 10 rupees per meter squared, and that amount is 15,000. So cost of painting per meter squared is equal to rupees 10. So cost of painting four walls is equal to, so LSA, this is the total area. So area into 10, that will be the total cost. So 250 into h into 10. And this is given as 15,000. So we will equate this. So 2,500 h is equal to 15,000. So h is equal to 15,000 divided by 2,500. So you get this as 6 meters. So that is the height of the hall. Here the length and breadth of the hall are in the ratio 4:3. So the ratio is given and height is given. So we will first write it down. Let length is equal to 4x and breadth is equal to 3x and height is given as 5.5 meters. The cost of decorating its walls including doors and windows at rupees 6.6 per square meter is 5082. Find the length and breadth of the room. Now here also you have to take the LSA because you are decorating only the walls. So LSA is equal to 2 into L plus B into H, L plus B into H, and this is given as, no, the rate is given as 5. Okay. So first we will write the LSA. So 2 into 4x plus 3x into 5.5. So this is equal to 7. This is 11. 2 into 5.5 is 11. 11 into 7x is 77x. Now it is, the rate is 6.6 per square meter. Rate per meter squared is equal to 6.6 rupee. Therefore, total cost is equal to 77x into 6.6. This is equal to 5082. It is already given. So now we will find the value of x is equal to 5082 divided by 77 into 6.6. Now do the calculation, you will get x is equal to 10. Now length is equal to 4 into 10, 40. Now it is in meters. And breadth is equal to 3 into 10, 30 meters. Now here the cost of preparing the walls of a room 12 meter long at the rate of rupees 1.35 per square meter is 340 rupees 340.20, and the cost of matting the floor at 85 paisa per square meter is 91 rupees 80 paise. Find the height of the room. So it is slightly different from the previous. It's almost similar but slightly different. Here the matting of the floor also is given. So if you are thorough with the previous problem, you should be able to do this also. So L is equal to, given L is equal to 12 meters. Let B be the breadth and H be the height. So LSA is equal to 2 into L plus B into H, and now area of the, now cost of matting the floor. Floor will be, area of the floor will be L into B. Now this, the rate of cost of decorating the walls. The walls is equal to the area LSA into the rate. So that is equal to 2 into L is already given 12 plus B into H into rate is 1.35 into 1.35 is equal to, it is given 340 rupees 20 paise. It's equal to 340.20. Now LB. So here in cost of matting the floor, cost of here, or we will do the calculation here. Yes, 12 plus B so here we will write this as 12H, this 2 and 1.35 will bring it down. So you will get this as 12H plus BH is equal to 340.2 by 2 into 1.35. So we will leave it like this here. This is equal to 3402 by 27. So this is equal to actually 126. So leave it like this here. Now we will come to the area of the floor. So cost of matting the floor is equal to, now L into B into rate. So this is equal to, L is 12 into B into rate is 85 paisa. So now here we have taken as rupees. So now we have to convert this paisa into rupees. So we are writing this as 85 by 100, and this amount is equal to 9180. So 91.80. Now from this you will get, if you do the simplification, you will get B is equal to 9180 by 85 into 12. So you will get this B equal to 9 centimeters, 9 meters, sorry. Now substitute this here. So this is 1. Substituting in 1, we will get, substituting B is equal to, so B is equal to 9. If you substitute in this, you will get H into 12 plus 9 is equal to 126. So H is equal to 126 by 21 equal to 6 meters. So here I will write this as H into 12 plus B. Hope it is clear. So you have to do separately for the wall separately, because the rates are given separately, and then you have to find L and B and breadth and height. Now the dimensions of a rectangular box are given in the ratio of 2:3:4, and the difference between the cost of covering it with sheet of paper at the rates of 8 and 9.50 per meter squared is 1248. Find the dimensions of the box. So here they have just given you the ratio of the dimensions. So let us write, let length is equal to 2x, breadth is equal to 3x, and height is equal to 4x. Now the difference between the cost of covering it with a sheet of paper. So we have to find the area, total surface area of the rectangular box. So total surface area of the cuboid. So, and they have given you the rate. Rate is 8 rupees. And again with another sheet which is costing 9.50, again you have to find the cost, and that difference in the rate, the total cost is 1248 is how you have to proceed. So we'll say let C1, we'll first do total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So this is equal to 2 into LB will become 6x squared plus 12x squared plus 8x squared. So this is equal to 52x squared. Now let C1 is the cost of covering at the rate of rupees 8. So this is equal to, now the value will be TSA 52x squared into 8. Now leave it like this. Now C2 is equal to the cost of covering at the rate of rupees 9.50. So again it is 52x squared into 9.50. So this is rupees. These are rupees. Now the difference between this is 1248. So obviously the rate here is 9.50. So this rate is bigger. So C2 minus C1 is equal to 1248 is what is given. So it is 52x squared into 9.50 minus 52x squared into 8 is equal to 1248. Don't do the multiplication now here. So unnecessarily you will waste your time, we can do it very easily. So take out common factor 52x squared into 9.50 minus 8. So it's subtract and then multiply only once. That also you don't have, you will bring it down. So x squared is equal to 1248 divided by 52 into this 9.50 minus 8 is 1.5. So here if you do the simplification you get it is as 16. So from this you can say x is equal to 4. Now x is equal to 4. Now you can find the dimensions. So length is equal to length is equal to 2x. So 2 into 4, 8. Right, 8. Breadth is equal to 3 into 4, 12. These are all in units. Meter square. See, it is per meter square. So these are all in meters. And height is 4x. So 4 into 4, 16 meters. So I'll meet you again with some more problems in my next part. So keep watching and keep practicing. If you like it, please share it with your friends. And bye for now.